Yes, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Yes, it is early in the morning from this side, and today is the big day, the day that I told you that I am going to reveal the name of this stunning outdoor kitchen right here. Do you want to know the names? Yes. Yes, and I created this. It is just like a sign that shows the name of this standing outdoor kitchen. Do you want to know the name of it? Yes, so this is the name of this stunning beautiful kitchen. It is going to be called the Alkebulan Kitchen. Yes, if you want to know the meaning of Alkebulan, you just go and Google it, because I'm not going to tell you the meaning of it, but go and Google about Alkebulan. That is the homework that I'm giving you. So this is the name of this stunning kitchen. It is going to be called Alkebulan Kitchen. So welcome back to Alkebulan Kitchen. My name is Versatile Trojan. I'm a content creator. I'm doing wilderness cooking DIY videos, and also I'm going to do outdoor cooking right here from this stunning kitchen. And in case you want to know how I made these engravings, yes, I'm going to show you in this video, because as I told you that I'm going to do DIY video also, so this is one of them. Yes, this is one of them. I made this hanging label right here, and I just made it by using this board. I made the ropes myself, and even these carvings I did it myself. Yes, it is called Alkebulan Kitchen. I'm going to show you how I made this. Yes, and here it is written Colossians 2 verse 6 up to 7. You can go and read about it. I am always inspired by that line. That's why I have decided to put it in this hanging label of the kitchen. Yes, just to give you a brief about the project. Yes, as you know that I made these hanging perimeter logs myself. I made the hanging garden, as you can see there. I made this one. I made the raised vegetable beds, and also made this stunning outdoor cooking stove. As I told you that this cooking stove is going to have two chambers. The first one here, it is going to be the oven, and that one is going to be the normal cooking stove. And here in between, this is going to be the food preparation board, and it has two segments here and there, just for storage of food. Yes, and on this side I created a beautiful pergola, as you can see. Yes, there are some nice benches. They are made from logs. Yes, these logs that I used to create the kitchen, it is the one that I used to create the benches, the chairs also. Just let me just take inside so that you can have a clear look about it. Yes, so these benches are not yet complete. As I told you, these benches are not yet complete. I'm going to complete them very soon. I think in the next video I'm going to show you the complete setup of this resting or chilling area. Yes, and as I told you, from this point you can have a clear look of the stunning Alkebulan kitchen from this angle. Yes, you can have a very clear view of Alkebulan kitchen from this angle. So this is the work that have been done right here. And in case you have not watched my previous videos, you can just go and see how I did this, because these things you're seeing right in front of you was made right here, and they are all documented in my previous videos. So if you are new here, just go to my previous videos. You can have a look of everything that you are seeing here, how it was done since day one. And as you remember, when I started doing this project, the only thing that was here, it was that banana tree over there. So all the things that you are seeing in front of you were just made, and they are all documented in this YouTube channel. So welcome to Alkebulan. give you the feedback of the plants that I have planted. Yes, starting from the nursery, as you can see, yes, my vegetables have started to sprout. You can see they're just growing. Yes, and I hope soon I'm going to start harvesting. Yes, let me just take a short tour so that you can have a clear look from this side. Yes, if you are new here, kind subscribe, like, share and comment, because what is going to be produced here, it is something that is not supposed to be missed. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for always tuning in, because you are the one who keep me doing this every day. So welcome to the Alkebulan Kitchen. Yes, the kitchen where natural foods will be prepared, natural foods will be grown. As you can see, we have prepared our own vegetable beds so that we can grow our own natural food right from this point.